Morning students, we are back with our English subject and I am your Farzana ma'am from your school St. Joseph Public School and hope you are ready by this time with your book and page number 42 and hope you have understood the lesson when we were discussing it children, and this is the exercise we are solving it. Discussion as well as written form, I will be solving this exercise with you, and if you have further queries you are going to let me know on my WhatsApp. Okay children, here we go from the story and the oral question is over here. They are telling us to first read the, not lesson children, this word lesson is something wrong misprint, it is the read the words vocabulary aloud. So, the first word is sage, sage, string, string, intrigued, intrigued, reappear, reappear. See the first question of oral, what are the qualities of a good human being? एक अच्छे इंसान के लिए उसमें क्या क्या खूबी होनी चाहिए. Okay, what are the qualities? The three qualities which is given right below your picture on this page, this very same page. It's a person must know when not to listen, when to remain silent and when to speak out. Do you want me to give in writing? I will do the marking of this. It's here. You will start from here. The qualities of a good human being are as follows. You will write this way. A person must know are as follows. I will write over here for you. Wait. It's 1. The qualities, and I am not going to write the whole answer for you. I will mark it for you. The qualities, you are repeating and writing along with me. Qualities of a good human being are, put a comma and you are going to say a person are, a person from this see here I am giving a marking over here. A person must know when not to listen, when to remain silent and when to speak out. Okay, and this makes him a trustworthy person. So, you are going to go on writing this. If you are writing in your notebook children, your notebook, you are going to copy this line first and then after R comma you are going to copy this sentence from below your page. Okay, and this is your answer 1 until here, and if you want to add more words you can write are the qualities of trustworthy person. You can add, or if you do not add, no problem. Okay children, let us move to the next page. See what is the oral 2 question asking us to do. Can you see this? Whom do you consider the best and why? There are 2 options given. A, one who never speaks, one who speaks less. तो आपको बताना है कि आपके हिसाब से इन दोनों में से कौन सी क्वालिटी जो है, whom do you consider the best, कौन सी क्वालिटी बेस्ट है, जो बोलता ही नहीं है, never speaks, and जो बहुत कम बोलता है. So, when a person never speaks, you don't know his qualities at all, you don't know what type of a person it is. So, it is, this is wrong over here, and here for us this is right, one who speaks less, because we come to know what type of a person he is. Okay, so I will write over here because CAUSE, because we come to know his qualities, his good qualities, or whatever qualities he possesses, his good qualities, his behavior. Okay? Yes children. Now, we will go for the multiple choice questions. Tick right the correct option. 1. The sage presented the prince with a set of dash dolls. How many dolls he got from the sage? 3 dolls. Am I right, children? Thank you. Yes. 2. What was there in the ear of each doll? Did the dolls have rings? Did they had cotton or hole? Yes. So, am I right? Is this the answer right? Hole. 3. The 4th doll was the example of a dash person. The options: trustworthy, bad, talkative. So, what is the correct one? It's, am I right now? Tell me whether the teacher is right. Trustworthy, very good. Yes. Word quiz. Let's play this word quiz. Number the given words in alphabetical order. So, you know your alphabets. D is first in this 4 words, 1. Then a string sage, this S letter comes after P. So, Prince will be the second, and just see how you will come to know whether these 2 words which are starting with S are which preference will be given to these 2 words, whether it is sage or string. So, if first letter is similar, you have to choose from the second letter. In the sage, A is the second letter, and in string, T is the second letter, and which is A, position of A is 1 and position of T is later on after A. So, we are going to give number 3 to sage, and we are going to give number 4 alphabetical order to string. Did you understood, children? Have you got this concept clear? Yes, hope so. Read and write, it is a written question. I will be giving you in my PDF, but we will discuss a little faster. 1. What happened when the prince put the string into the ear of the second doll? It came out from the mouth. Very good. How many times did the prince put the string into the 4th doll's ear? He he inserted the string 3 times into the 4th doll's ear. Okay, 3 times. Which doll was the example of the best person? So, according to the reading, the 4th doll. 4th doll was the best example or best person, example of the best person. Okay, children? Yes. Think and answer. Why was the prince not amused? Prince amused क्यों नहीं था? जब उनको वो dolls, set of dolls as a present मिला, gift मिला, तो वो amused क्यों नहीं थे? It was because his getting the present of such unwanted things were usual in his daily life. Means हर कोई आता था, anybody could come and present him or gift him with any type of presents or gifts to him, and which he used to it. He was used to such kinds of gift. Just a simple answer. What does the 3rd doll tell us? तीसरी doll जो है हमें क्या बताती है? That you may say in your own thoughts, your views, it's according to me, before getting the 4th doll, we can say that the 3rd doll was a person of not saying your secrets anywhere else, means secretive tha. Okay, he can hold your secrets. He will not speak bad when he listens to someone's secret. He may not say it here and there to anyone else before getting the 4th doll. Okay. 3. Then who is the best type of person? Why did the prince ask this? Prince ने ये question क्यों किया 3 dolls के सारे process होने के बाद? When he passed the string in all the ears of the 3 dolls, then he was a little bit confused and asked, then who is the best type of a person? So, why did the prince ask? Because he was confused with the qualities of all 3 dolls. 4. Your mother asks you to clean the room. What will you do? Tick right the best option. What you are going to do is, you will ignore her. आप उनको सुनी अनसुनी कर देंगी मम्मी को. You will listen to her and clean the room. आप सुन के और काम करेंगी जो मम्मा चाहती हैं. See, you will ask your younger brother or sisters to clean the room. आप अपने ये काम किस पे डाल देंगी, किसके कंधों पे? To your younger brother or sister. The best option according to me is your B. You will listen and you will do the work assigned by your mother. So, children, we will wind up our video over here. Till here, we will continue our discussion and answering the questions in our later videos. Till then, you are going to complete your answering on your own, and you are going to ask if there are any queries with you in your reading, understanding lessons, and understanding your this discussion of this today's question answers. Okay children, till then have a nice day. Goodbye.